Hello and welcome to NTech Hub TV. This is the midweek news update trending in the oil and gas sector globally. Starting in Nigeria, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, is considering sourcing crude oil from international traders to support operations at the Dangote petroleum refinery amid rising fuel prices and global energy tensions. Also in Nigeria, the country is ramping up deepwater oil exploration to boost crude production and close the gap in its quota under the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, following recent regulatory reforms and new licensing rounds. On the international scene, the Group of Seven, G7, is considering releasing up to 400 million barrels of oil from strategic reserves to stabilize global prices, which recently surged above $100 per barrel amid Middle East tensions. In Serbia, authorities have suspended exports of crude oil, diesel, and gasoline to protect domestic supply as global oil prices continue to rise. Meanwhile, in India, plans to release oil from national reserves with the International Energy Agency have been suspended. While authorities say there are no immediate plans to increase retail fuel prices despite global market pressure. Restaurants and hotels have also warned of disruptions as the Iran conflict restricts cooking gas supplies. Finally, in Saudi Arabia, Aramco has begun reducing production at 2 oil fields as tensions in the Middle East disrupt shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. This wraps up the midweek oil and gas update. Thank you for joining in. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments. Also, join us on Friday for the weekend news update.